Welcome to Up Your Cash Flow, the most comprehensive planning tool available. Its proper use will assist entrepreneurs in understanding the impact of future financial activities on their cash flow and balance sheets. There are no spreadsheets to deal with, no errors to search for, no models to build, and no formulas to create. It's hassle-free. Hello, my name is Harvey Goldstein. I am the developer of Up Your Cash Flow. Our program has been in the marketplace for 20 years and it was developed for two reasons. The first reason was to allow businesses to add to their budgeting process creation of cash flow and balance sheets forecasted. It is very important that management have a clear understanding of its future cash requirements. The second reason was for CPAs, accountants, and consultants to provide quick and cost-effective financial forecasting for their clients, a service that is crucial to the success of their clients. Thank you for looking at our program, and we hope you enjoy this tour. If you would like to talk to me directly, contact me at 1-800-873-7789. From the Edit Data, View, and Print Report section of the program, you will have access to the profit and loss cash flows forecasted by month and by quarter, and you will also be able to edit directly from the profit and loss. In addition, you will have forecasted balance sheets, access to forecasted term loans and notes receivable, access to annual and monthly ratios, break-even analysis, comparative P&Ls and cash flows to actual, compare forecasted balance sheets to actual balance sheets, plan notes and assumptions. There are 54 fully integrated reports available. In Entity Control, you will have access to up to 99 separate entities. In our program, an entity is a forecast, therefore you will have the ability to create up to 99 separate forecasts. The Entity Control section allows you to access entities, copy entities, save entities, remove data from an entity, and many other options. If you would like to export reports to Excel, do it here. In Up Your Cash Flow, you may consolidate any combination of the 99 entities you may have created. In addition to that, there are 5 separate consolidations that can be created, and you can consolidate consolidations. In this section of the program, you may develop up to 5-year forecast. In addition, you may trend any of the items within the forecast. After you have entered actual data for the year for comparative purposes, this report will integrate the actual data with your financial forecast. This section of the program will allow you to roll your forecast forward 1, 2, or 3 months, thus giving you a complete view of the future. In this section, you may graph numerous items in the forecast on a comparative basis. In this section of the program, the 1-hour forecast was created so that an individual can prepare a forecast in a very, very short period of time. It is not highly detailed, but it will produce all of the basic reports. If you are dealing with a not-for-profit organization, complete your forecast, click this button, and all of the language of the reports will convert to the language of not-for-profits. Want to do what-if scenarios? This is the place to do it. Some businesses like their profit and loss to have 13 4-week periods. Your forecast can be automatically changed to a 13 4-week period in this section. Want to have a highly detailed cash flow forecast from 2 to 13 weeks? This is the section that'll do it. When you don't know where to go within the program and you need to do some editing, come to the Planning Center. Everything is located here. This is the Planning Center. Everything that you will need is located here. Please review the Planning Center and I'll be back with you in a few minutes. I'm back, and now what we're going to do is take a look at the profit and loss. All of the data entered here has been entered using our importing a trial balance feature. This program also allows you to import a monthly P&L and a monthly balance sheet for comparative cash flow purposes. When you view the profit and loss, you will notice at the top of the screen are tabs for all of the reports that have been generated by Up Your Cash Flow. At the bottom of the screen, you will see all the editing tabs, which will allow you to edit directly from the profit and loss. By doing this, you can see immediate results after your edits. After you have entered the profit and loss, the first item to be adjusted and or edited is sales. Just click on the sales account and you will have access to the appropriate menu. To edit an expense, just double click on any of the items and the appropriate menu will appear. There are three methods for computing sales. The first method is where you have one sales account and you want to do annual sales, sales by month and appropriate collection assumptions. The second item is sales by product, employee, service, or customer with an unlimited number of units of production. And the third item is compute sales using percentage of completion method of accounting. There are three methods available for computing cost of goods sold. The first method is by using material, labor, and overhead. The second method allows you up to 33 separate account items and is available with a great amount of detail. The third item is compute cost of sales by product, employee, or customer if you have entered sales by product, employee, or customer. To access additional expense departments and expenses, click here. In this section here, we have the ability to edit other items that may affect the profit and loss. For example, amortization of prepaid expenses, credit line financing and interest expense, due to from owners and affiliates, expenses as a percentage of net income tax and estimated payments, interest on cash balances, investment activity and income from investments, notes receivable amortization and interest income, sale of equipment, service contracts receivable and service income, startup expense, and term loan amortization and interest expense. Other cash flow items may be accessed from here. Adjust other assets, the beginning balance sheet, beginning payables and payment of same, customer deposits, deposits to be made, dividends to be paid, loans from affiliates, loans from others, loans to others. Name and fiscal period may be edited here. New borrowings and investment activities, preferred stock and treasury stock activity, proprietors' draws, purchase of equipment, sales tax, and related payments. Up Your Cash Flow is a very comprehensive budgeting and cash flow forecasting tool. In the overview of our product that you have just seen, we have left out many items that the program is capable of doing. This is just a list of some of those items. Thank you for reviewing our product. Please contact us at 1-800-873-7789 or email us at support@upyourcashflow.com. Thank you.